If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. When you save a publisher file for the first time, you must use the Save As command to choose where to save the file and what to name it. To do this, click the File tab in the ribbon. Then click the Save As command in the command panel at the left side of the Backstage view. To the right of the command panel, a list of available places to save the file appears. The choices vary depending on the Office subscriptions and services available to your Microsoft account. If you have previously saved files, the Recent option shows a list of folder locations into which you recently saved files. Other common options include your OneDrive folder for Microsoft user accounts, SharePoint folders for business Microsoft 365 subscribers, and This PC. Select the location to which to save the file. If desired, to add additional cloud save locations to which to save files, click the Add a Place link in this list. Then, click a link to the right for the cloud service location to add. Then, enter your login credentials for the selected cloud service to add any available cloud locations to your list of save locations. Alternatively, to save the file to a non-cloud synced folder on the local computer or local computer network on which you are working, select the This PC choice in the list of save locations. At that point, for all choices, recent folders into which you have saved publisher files in the selected location then appear to the far right. You can click a folder in this list to select it as the save location within the Save As dialog box that then appears. Separately, to instead open the Save As dialog box and show the default local folder into which you save local files in Windows, click the Browse link in the list of possible save locations. Doing either action then opens the Save As dialog box. In this dialog box, verify or change the folder into which to save the file by using the folder navigation options at either the top or left side of the dialog box. Then enter a file name into the File Name field. If needed, use the Save As Type dropdown to select the file type to save. Then click the Save button within the Save As dialog box to finish saving the file to the selected location. After initially saving a file, its name then appears in the title bar. To save changes you make to publisher files after that, simply click the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar, or click the File tab in the ribbon, and then click the Save command. You will not have to re-enter the file name or select a save location. Publisher automatically saves the changes to the existing file. A final point to make about saving publisher files in the cloud in OneDrive is that OneDrive doesn't have native support for the default publisher files .pub file format Publisher uses. Unlike other Microsoft 365 products like Word and Excel, you must download local copies of the OneDrive cloud-saved publisher files to edit them in Publisher. If you use the OneDrive app to sync local copies of OneDrive cloud files, this may be less of an issue. However, if you do try to open a publisher file directly from OneDrive, it will open as a read-only copy of the file. This sometimes occurs if you try to directly share a publisher file with another user in OneDrive. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.